Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the gated community of Wood that is located actually in South Houston, close to Meyerland Park. Now, this community, it is a small community, and the builder of this home is going to be City Choice Homes. The home is going to be a three-story, three-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It's going to be a little over 2,000 square feet. And the price, it is under $500,000. So this is going to be a good price point for individuals who do want to stay in the city of Houston, but do not want to pay high prices for their home. Now, if you are interested in what schools this home is zoned to, they are going to be Shern Elementary, Persian Middle School, and Madison High School. If you have any questions regarding this builder, this community, or any other real estate questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Also, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.